Okay, good day everyone. For today's video, i-demonstrate ko sa inyo kung paano nyo makoconduct ang inyong Brothers Keeper session using MS Teams. Now, without further ado, we're going to start with today's tutorial by first teaching you on how you can download MS Teams on your laptop or on your desktop computer. If you are using your mobile phone, your Android operating system on your mobile phone or Apple iOS, you can also download MS Teams for free at the Play Store. Now, we're going to start first by first opening your web browser. For example, for my computer, I am using my Google Chrome. Now, under here, sa search engine na inyong Google Chrome, just type here MS Teams download. After typing MS Teams download, yung unang-una yung makikitang link na na-search ni Google Chrome dito sa taas, na ang location niya or ang link na ibinibigay niya is coming directly from www.microsoft.com, is the download link that you need to open to download your MS Teams application. Now, to download the application, simply click the Download Desktop and Mobile Apps Microsoft Teams. After that, once na nag-appear, yung you are currently viewing our website for United States English, would you like to switch to International English, just click the Switch to International English command button. After that, click the Download for Desktop command button. And then, you will be transported here on the screen that says Download Teams for work on your desktop. Just click Download Teams command button. After that, you will notice here on the lower left portion of your screen, your web browser is already downloading the application. Now, just wait for the application to be fully downloaded into your computer by looking here at this progression bar. Pag napuno yung kulay blue at nagkaroon dito ng icon ng MS Teams, it means that your application is already downloaded on your computer and it is now ready for installation on your computer. Okay, you will notice here that download is already being completed. Wala nang umiikot na kulay blue on the logo. Just click the Teams Windows link and then wait for the application to be installed on your computer. Okay, well, once na nag-appear yung open file security warning, do you want to run this file? Just click the Run command button and wait for the MS Teams menu to open on your screen. Okay, once na nag-appear yung Microsoft Teams, enter your work, school, or Microsoft account, sign-in portion. Under here, sa sign-in address, just fill out this field with your official TUMCSI Office 365 login credential. Now, if you still don't have your login credentials with you, just contact the TUMCSI technical team. Again, if you still don't have your login credentials with you, just contact the TUMCSI technical team. Now, just make sure that your login credentials is complete. For example, my login credentials is Michael_Manawis. at tumcsi.onmicrosoft.com. After that, once na assure mo na yung login credential is already completed on the text box, just click the sign in command button and wait for MS Teams to load on your computer. Okay, technical team already created a class for your Brothers Keeper group. You just need to find the link to your Brothers Keeper group. Now, if you're going to run MS Teams for the first time, under here on this portion, sa left side, just click the Teams link. Make sure na naka-highlight yung link or yung menu ng Teams. Ayan, on this portion on the left side. And then look for the Brothers Keeper Teams or Brothers Keeper link. Okay, my Brothers Keepers link or team is located here at the lowest portion of my Teams menu. Now, if you want to open your Brothers Keeper and conduct your Brothers Keeper session, just make sure that you are already logged in to your MS Teams account 15 minutes before your scheduled session. Okay, I'm just going to click Brothers Keeper. And then after that, you will be transported here sa conversation or sa message portion or post portion of your Teams. You can create a new conversation here by posting a message welcoming everybody to your class or to your Brothers Keeper group. And if you want to meet your team, simply click the drop-down menu found here on this portion, showing you more options. Again, if you want to meet your team face-to-face using MS Teams, just click the drop-down menu, Meet, and then click Meet Now. After clicking Meet Now, you will be given with the option to start the session with your cameras on. Since I don't have my camera with me, obviously the camera is being disabled. But since I have my microphone, by default, the microphone is being enabled. You can meet them with your microphone or your camera open, or you can also turn them off. Let's say, for example, I want to meet them with my microphone on, so I just turned it on. And if you're ready to meet them, just click the Join Now command button. Okay, wait for the MS Teams or for the team to be finished or to continue loading. And then after that, you will see here the members of your team. Just make sure that all of the members of your team are online. Malalaman yung online sila pag nakita nyo yung status nila here beside their picture with a green circle. It means that they are online. Now check your list if they are complete in the group. If merong kulang or if there is someone who are not yet online or part of the group, you can also call them to take part to the session by typing their name here under the participants. For example, Oracion is not yet here. Mario Luigi Oracion is not yet here. If I want him to take part in our session, under here sa participants, type a name. I'm just going to type his last name. And then there's the link to his profile. I'm just going to click it. And then MS Teams will call the said participant. Let's say, for example, if I want to conduct my session now, I'm just going to click the member's name. And then beside it, you will find here, or you will see here, a command button that says request to join. Just click the request to join command button in order for them to be called, or their attention to be called, to participate to the session. If they accepted the call, their picture or their profile will appear here. But if not, their name will just come back here or go back here under the suggestions. Again, if they are online and if they are ready to accept the call. Hello, good afternoon. Hello? Hello? Hello, good afternoon, John Nema de Jesus. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Emmanuel Velasco. Okay, hello. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Brothers Keeper. Again, my name is Mr. Michael Manawis. Are you already familiar with me, students? Emmanuel Velasco. Excuse me. Okay, medyo choppy yung linya mo, Emmanuel. But it's okay. I'm just testing the MS Teams for our group. Thanks for... Okay, Jan Nema, wag mo na lang sigurong i-open yung microphone mo kasi nagbi-feedback. Okay lang, tinest ko lang naman yung bago nating Brothers Keeper Care Group. Okay, you may now press the leave button now, students. Thank you for accepting the call. Okay, just press the leave button. Yan, thank you. Okay, there you have it. Now, just make sure that after your Brothers Keeper session, kayo po yung huling magla-log out or magla-log out dun sa Teams. Now, to download the attendance of your participants, just click this ellipsis button here that says more actions. Just click the ellipsis button and then click download attendance list. Now, once you click the download attendance list, the attendance list will be downloaded into your downloads folder with the file extension .csv. The .csv file can be opened using your Microsoft Excel. Now, once na download nyo na po yung attendance ng bawat isang participant, you may now press the leave button found here. And there you have it. That is the basic way on how you can conduct your Brothers Keeper session. If you like this video, just press the thumbs up. And if you like some other videos na kagaya nitong tutorial na itinuro ko ngayon, just subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless everyone.